Hello there. Have you noticed the Beachy Waves hairstyle trend supported by celebrities such as Jennifer Lopez and Zendaya? The secret behind these waves is the sea salt spray. It's the secret weapon for creating those effortless, textured waves that scream,
"I just came from the beach, darling."
So, what makes sea salt spray so special? It's the perfect combination of sea salt and water, along with a few key ingredients to give your hair that natural, windswept look. But wait, before we explain how to get these beachy waves in your own hair, please press the like button of this video and let me share with you that we have found for you the best sea salt spray you can purchase online. Check the links from the description box below to know more and get yours now. Also, you might want to know what is sea salt made of. The primary ingredient, as the name suggests, is sea salt, which helps to add texture and waves to your hair, mimicking the effect of ocean water. However, sea salt can make your hair dry. Consequently, some commercial sea salt sprays come along with hair conditioners or natural elements such as coconut oil or aloe vera. And with that being said, let's dive in the steps to get the Beachy Waves hairstyle. Here's how to get those beachy waves. Step 1. Start with clean, dry hair. Step 2. Shake your sea salt spray well to activate the ingredients. Step 3. Spray it evenly throughout your hair, focusing on the mid-lengths to ends. Step 4. Scrunch and tousle your hair to create those waves. Step 5. Let it air dry or use a diffuser for extra texture. Step 6. Finish with a light hold hairspray. Here are some pro tips. Use a wide tooth comb to distribute the product evenly. You can also twist small sections of hair and lightly mist them with sea salt spray for a more defined look. Also, some cautions are worth noting. Overusing sea salt spray can lead to stiffness or excessive dryness also. Be cautious not to apply it too close to your scalp as it can make your hair greasy. Now let's explore some questions you might have.
Can sea salt spray cause acne?
Yes, it can, especially if it comes contact with the skin and isn't washed off properly. The drying nature of sea salt can lead to acne.
Can I use sea salt spray on color-treated hair?
Absolutely, you can. Use sea salt spray on your color-treated hair. Although remember to apply a color-protecting shampoo and conditioner to guard against color fading. Try not to use the spray excessively to avoid excessive hair dryness.
Do sea salt sprays harm your hair?
Not really, but overuse may bring about dry hair. Therefore, it's advisable to use it sensibly and regularly with deep conditioning.
Can sea salt spray function as a heat protectant?
Unfortunately, no. Sea salt spray doesn't act as a heat protectant. It's always best to use a dedicated heat protectant product before using heated styling tools.
How can I create my own DIY sea salt spray at home?
It's quite an easy process to make your own sea salt spray at home. Simply dissolve of sea salt in a cup of warm water. Mix with aloe vera or coconut oil. Infuse a few drops of your favorite essential oil for a pleasant fragrance, and voila.
When should I use sea salt spray?
The best time to use sea salt spray is post-shower on damp hair. It works great to accentuate the natural texture and wave of the hair.
Where can I find sea salt spray?
Sea salt spray is readily available at beauty supply stores, pharmacies, and online platforms. Let me remind you, we've been looking for the best OGX sea salt spray offer for you, and you have it in the description box. Wrapping it up, there you have it. Now you know how to create these beachy waves in your own hair like J-Lo using sea salt spray. If you liked this video, press that like button to help us create better content for you, and put us a comment about how amazing you look after trying for first time the sea salt spray.